If you're the type of Mustang owner who's modding more often than not, which, let's be honest, most of us are, then you're probably interested in getting the most out of your power mods. No matter what gen Mustang you have, whether it be a Fox body, SN95, S197, or S550, you can take full advantage of an aftermarket tune to maximize your gains and use the fullest potential of your modifications. Now, Bama Tuning has created their free Tunes for Life program to help Mustang owners like you update your tune along the way as you're bolting up new power adders. Now, the way the free Tunes for Life program works is pretty simple. Whenever you buy a Bama supported handheld tuner, such as the X3 or X4, RevX, Livewire, or ITSX device, you are automatically entered into the program, and you're in the program for as long as you have that device and that vehicle paired together. What the program does is it allows you to update your tunes for free, that's right, for free, whenever you make a power modification to your car. Say you start off your build with a cold air intake and a Bama tune. If you decide to beef things up a bit and just add a catback exhaust or some long tube headers, maybe an intake manifold, then you'll be able to get that tune updated to support your new mods thanks to this program, and all you have to do is contact Bama and fill out the tune revision request form. Now, if you've got a 1987 to 2004 Mustang or a 2005 to 2010 V6 Mustang, you can get 3 different custom tunes revised each time you bolt up a new power mod and submit your request, because those are the 3 tunes that you get with your Bama device for those gens. That's a new street, performance, and race tune for your Mustang to pump up the gains. Now, any other 05 and newer Mustang owners actually can expect 2 custom tunes, both performance and race. These tunes from Bama have different effects on your Mustang's performance. The street tune is a more mild-mannered approach to tuning with a balance of performance, drivability, and fuel economy, while the performance tunes are a little more focused on, well, performance, with support that can be calibrated to a number of different octane levels. The race tune is meant for those higher octanes and offers the most aggressive tune designed for race and track performance. These tunes can also be optimized for other fuel types like unleaded race or E85 fuels. There are other benefits to the Bama Tunes and Free Tunes for Life program. You get data logging support from Bama tuning specialists to make sure that your tunes are on point. If you want to add a shot of nitrous, Bama has you covered. Any non-forced induction power mod that you might be looking to pick up, you can get that built into your personal set of those custom tunes through this program. Now, there are limitations, however. Forced induction setups are currently not supported, and camshafts are a case-by-case basis. 3-valve no spring required cams are usually covered, and most aftermarket 2-valve cams are as well, but big lift 3-valve or Coyote cams will need to be decided upon by a Bama calibration specialist first, so you want to contact them. The gist of it is, if you're looking to add some more power to your Mustang, no matter what gen you have, this is an invaluable program that you need to take advantage of. V6, V8, EcoBoost, Cobra, GT500, they're all supported, and you can get the most out of your setup with Bama Tunes and the Free Tunes for Life program, which is available exclusively right here at AmericanMuscle.com.